That's it.
You gotta bleep out all the curse words.
Yeah.
That do be taking a while.
I miss a few. You got it? Yeah, you got it. You got it. That's the way to do it. There we go.
Once again, I'm telling you, sport is crazy. Where am I stepping?
You can put your foot there, on that rock there. Reach on the other side of this rock is you can grip.
Oh yeah.
You got it? Yeah. You can put your foot over there. Yep. Put your foot on my knee. Put this foot up here.
You sure?
Yeah. Just go quick. There we go.
Hey,
you got it? Yeah? Okay. Some people don't have long legs. Some people do. Take your time. Can you do that?
Did we come down this way?
Hey, that was good. Man, how'd you do that?
Did we come down
Maybe
this
my
way?
legs are too short to do that.
How am I supposed to get across this? What?
Okay, come down here. Come down here.
And watch this.
Your legs are shorter like mine. Can you put a foot up there on that rock? Yeah. Reach on the other side of this rock. And then pull yourself so you got like belly flap up here.
Wait, what's over here?
Okay, then this leg, put this foot up here. There, now go. There you go. Oh. Can you do that?
Get off me.
You have to have really long legs to do that.
Where do I go?
who up there twisting like that? Amon, that's you.
Okay, you can put your foot up on that rock. Hold on to the other side of this one. There, just like that. There you go. There you go. Belly flop up on top of it and pull yourself up. There you go.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Alan, where does lead to?
take your time. Don't rush. Don't rush the person in front of you. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Your legs are shorter. Just put up here, and then reach the other side of that rock and just belly flop up. Okay. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Oh no. This is how you get killed. This is not my style right here.
Okay. Wait till she's off this rock.
Huh?
Wait till she's off the rock. You can reach on the other side of this rock. Get a handhold and put your foot up here.
Wait, I got it.
You got it? Awesome.
But should I come like how I just go up or do I got to
If you want to do that, if you think you can do that, you can do that. Some people.
you trying to give me a look? Never mind.
It's easier.
You got your weight back. Okay, there you go. All right. All right. You can come down here and climb up if you want. If you're not comfortable with that.
Yeah, I'm gonna climb, bro. I'm not doing that.
Yeah. You can put your foot up there. Get on the other side of this rock with a hand hold on the other side of that rock, and then pull yourself up and belly flop up on it. That's it. That's it. That's it. There we go. Some people have longer legs. They can do it.
I can do it. I just
Take your time. If you want to start down here, you can start down here.
maybe not.
That's a tricky one.
These shoes are buns.
I can just.
Yeah.
Oh, you got up?
There you go.
So it was this way?
Yep. There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome. And then just belly flopping. Yeah. Like flounder. Yep. Yep.
This one?
Yeah. Just hold on the other side. That's it. And just pull yourself up onto the rock. That's it. Awesome. You got it. There you go. Where did they go? I can hear their voices down there.
I can hear voices, but it's giving me anxiety.
I might have to swing around there. See where they went. Do you want to go with them up here?
Why have to get this one?
Did they go down there?
I'm going to head down there and see where that's coming from. I think that they've gone around. Like I said, this is a maze cave. You go around in circles all the time. But you can go up here, play on the rocks, and figure out how they got through. Okay. Hold on the other side of this rock, just like that. Okay. Now put your foot up on my knee. Okay. And now just belly flop up there. There you go, and just crawl up there. That's it. You're not gonna break my knee. Just do the same thing she just did.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
I don't want to hurt you.
Okay.
Don't do that to me!
Oh, I love it.
My heart. Now what the hell? No!
I have too much fun doing this.
Yeah.
People wonder why I do this. Okay, I'm gonna go around and see if I can find out where they went to.
Awesome.
Can I take one of these home? Yeah, you can carry that here.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. Wait! Hi!
Calm down, bro. Allen,
Hey!
can we take a left here?
I'm tired. Okay,
Can we take a left here? Wait.
now, at this point, there's a lot of options.
No, we need to get out the cave.
Yeah, let's take the option outside. I'm ready to get out, basically.
I want to do this one.
I'm ready to get leave. I see this option, sir. I see the option to leave.
Hey, catch my breath.
Yeah, can we go this way?
Can we point it that way? And you record and you're not. He said go that way. Alright, y'all. That's how you get out. Wait, Allen, that's how you get out. All in my midst. Allen, are you alive right now?
Yeah. There's a set.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I would just sit. Wait, somebody go down here.
No, it's not.
Seriously,
You got me flipped out.
down the hallway.
Oh, yeah. You want to go catch it?
Isaiah over here sleeping on the job, bro.
No, I'm just chilling.
Wait, Isaiah sleeping on the job?
No.
Let's stay right there.
Take it easy coming off there at the drop. Huh?
Are you good?
Yeah, okay.
Keep us raw.
I'm just getting old, you know? I can't do what I used to do.
Yeah. I got you.
Now let's see if they can figure out how to get back.
Back here?
Not back.
Back outside.
Some of them wanted to start heading out, so I'm gonna let them figure it out.
What do you mean you're gonna let us figure it out?
The worst you could do is go around in circles. Haven't even gone down into the lower levels.
The lower level.
I made it out alive.
Alive!
What's just like over there?
Back to where we just were.
Please stop that.
How do you over here? We just went on the roof. Yo, what's up? Which way we going?
We back.
We back.
Be careful. careful up there, okay? Oh, yeah, there is a drop there.
What?
So you have to stay up here, stay up at that side. You all right?
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
Yo, engineering this fell. Yo, shut up.
I'm good.
Stay up on this
I
side.
gotta get up. Yes.
Guys, gotta get down up there, okay? That's really too high up.
Yes, a big
Stay
drop.
up at this side.
Yeah, I think it'll
Okay.
Why do they always stop? No, don't do that when
You guys can go straight, you can go right, you can go left.
Go straight.
I'm gonna go.
Just make clean up for
Chuck, we can go anywhere.
Which way has like no one gone? Or is it less people?
Is there dead ends in any of them?
some, yeah.
We're
Not
not
all
gonna
of
get
them.
out.
A lot of them, they're not dead ends. Yeah, they went that way to go
Wait, so a
around.
lot of them they just loop around?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Your car.
What is he doing? Can you?
Keep on going. Keep on going.
Yo, could you go in
Alright, stay
there?
up here.
Could you go in there?
Hey guys, not up top, okay?
What you say, Alan?
There's a big drop if you go up there, so please don't go up, okay?
Okay, come on, Chuck.
What are they doing?
What's up there, Alan?
Huh?
What's up there?
More? Just no place. Come down.
Where are they going from?
I don't know, they're going around in circles.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Stay up on this side. Stay up on this side. There's a hole where I am. I'm standing in a hole.
What's
So
over there?
Up this way.
Now it goes down that way to them.
Yes, you could go down that way. Just be careful.
Can I come?
Use your hands on the walls, because you'll slide right into that hole.
Wait, hold on. You wanna go that way?
And go down the
Wait,
lower
Alan,
level.
go that way.
I want to go.
I'm gonna follow Chuck.
Wait, Alan, wait, I'm scared. Alan, you're not supposed to be going. I'm supposed to be going up there.
Put your feet over there. Just go
A
on.
lot of kids over there.
Some people went that way, some people went that way.
Yeah.
Stay with your buddy. Yeah, you can go that way and go round. Easy, easy. Okay, take it easy and down. Ooh, you all right? Yeah. All right. You have to hold on both hands. I should have taped those up. Easy. There we go.
Alan, can we go this way?
Yeah.
You know what X how to get out?
What's that?
Can we go down?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
you follow. I'm gonna follow you guys.
Oh, this is cool. Look, they're all the way up there.
Yeah. But you stay up at this side. This drops into a hole.
Oh, oh, wow, yeah. You want to lose your friend?
Standing over top of a
Oh,
hole.
we carried that on this way the last time.
Yeah.
Wait, this road just
Going here and ending up over there.
Chuck, where did you go?
It goes around.
Where you go, Chuck? So this one goes all the way around?
Yeah, this one goes around. You can go around that way, you can go around that way. Take your pick. I'm just trying to keep an eye on them behind me. Okay.
Wait, which way do we? I don't know. Which way we take from this route?
Where do you want to go?
I'm gonna go where everybody else at, I guess.
You go out and make a left.
Is Chuck there? The other one.
Just take big passage. Rule of thumb. Always take big passage.
So, I'm going this way?
Yeah, if you want to, or you can go down this way. It doesn't make any difference.
Which way are you going to?
I'm going down here to see what they're doing down here.
I'll follow you.
Come this way.
Which way are you going? That way?
Oh man, Mike, you gotta come this way.
This is this one.
No, go back up. You guys gotta go back up. Where old man Mike came out.
Where?
Go back up. Where old man Mike came out.
That way. Yeah, turn around. Turn around.
Are you serious? Yo, he's leaving. I'm suing. Oh, who has the bag? I thought that was you, Mike.
what Karen is doing.
Oh, that was Karen?
So I have no idea where we are on the map now.
You said you don't?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did like the guide with the college kids. He just goes, I can look at my map. When he said that, I'm like, I can look at the map. Doesn't make you feel better.
Yeah, this is the way you have to come. Unless you want to go down the
That
big
way.
drop.
That way's
Oh, yeah, good thing I came
the
here.
soft serve ice cream is that way, Jazz.
That way?
Yeah, that way.
Down there.
There's for more than soft serve ice cream. Get my go
Food
down
court
there.
and gift shop.
Yo, the food court's down there. So is there a Wawa down there? Because that's where I'll go.
Food court?
Hold up, move out of the way. They only have Sabra pizza and
Good job, Omar.
Omar.
You go, Omar.
Everyone's got their idea in the,
Alright,
in the
just
head
start
that
going
we're
down.
having pizza
You
for
gotta go down
dinner.
Have a what?
Pizza
Because that's
for
where you
dinner?
got That's where everybody
Karen
else
said
is
that.
at.
Karen
That's
said
where
it.
everybody else is at.
Well, they asked me if they could have pizza. If they wanted to
Alright,
miss
I'm gonna
dinner
go first.
so they could get back and
Yeah,
have
go down.
pizza.
I'm coming
And
with
Karen said yeah.
So I said, you don't have to miss dinner. Just tell Karen you want pizza for dinner. She'll order it.
you. Get in. Yeah, right there.
Oh, is there like a drop?
Does Karen know that?
It's not her money.
Well, we had pizza
Hey,
last
you
time,
made
didn't
it.
we?
There you
Hey,
go.
you look like a professional.
You look like you know what you're doing. Go for it. These guys are just going to town.
Ellie, you're doing so good, babe.
Guess what, Elliot? We're coming back again tomorrow to explore again.
This is the way out.
There's no.
No?
We didn't, you have to find the exit sign. Elliot, there's a big sliding board to get to the exit. Once we find the sliding board.
I'm not one for jokes.
Look, she's harsh. And here's this coming out.
Oh, hi.
Okay, we've been underground, what time did you get? Was it quarter after or quarter
You
of?
said 12:15.
12:15? Okay, so it's been an hour and 15 minutes. That's not bad.
What, should we leave?
It's entirely up to you. I usually check around 2 hours in, and that's usually when people start getting tired.
We'll probably do 2 hours. We'll probably get them to at least 2:45. 1:45, sorry.
2 hours would be 2:15.
Yeah.
No, but I'm saying like 1:45 hours.
Oh,
I'm not
okay.
saying the